This is the Dolls to Play baby doll playset. I've got 3 daughters, so this has been a hit for them. And this is in the pink floral color for it. There's a couple other items that come with this the playset that aren't shown here, but these are the major ones. The stroller and the crib are definitely the big hits for my daughters. They love, you know, putting their stuffies in the stroller, pushing them around, filling up the crib with stuffed animals, pretending they're going to sleep, and doing the same thing for the high chair and whatnot. But I've been really happy with it so far, and we've had it for a few months now, and they've, haven't broken. They've jumped in this. The way it's designed, it kind of almost gives easily, so it doesn't break easily. I've been really impressed with it. Overall, I definitely recommend it.